Hi, my name is Jay Byers. This is my wife, Carmelia Byers, and we are located in Melbourne, Florida, and the name of our company is Space Coast Eco Wash. What it means to us, I feel, is that we can give something back to the community in the way of making sure that everybody has a clean and sanitary dumpster. It also helps businesses that in Florida that have their dumpsters that are out front. We can provide a cleaner and more sanitary entrance to their restaurants for their clients. Wanted the ability to do commercial sized dumpsters. After looking at numerous other manufacturers, we found that Eco Wash Industries gave us the most ability to do the things we want to do commercial wise, as well as giving us the opportunity to provide residential service as well. And I do feel confident that we will get the continued marketing and technological support that we are looking for from Eco Wash Industries. I feel based on our experience with Eco Wash Industries that we will definitely be back to buy more equipment from them in the future as our business expands. So what we're looking for from Eco Wash Industries in the future is the continued technology and marketing that they so graciously have given us to help us grow our business. And I would hope that they continue to grow as well as provide us with the ability to grow with them. So any advice or words of wisdom to someone who's looking to get into this business is definitely do your homework and look around and see what your community needs first and foremost, and then pick the manufacturer that gives you the most bang for your buck. For us, obviously, the commercial side was where we wanted to be, and Eco Wash Industries gave us that ability.